In the midst of a raging battle, a valiant knight pushes onward with trust resting on his mighty shield, a formidable barrier against pelting projectiles and the drenching downpour, safeguarding him not only from piercing debris, but from the elements themselves, allowing him to face his adversaries with unwavering resolve. Alright, that might be a bit overdoing it, but it's true. Our windshields are literally shields that protect us not only from the wind, but from everything life throws at us on the road. They're what keep the roof from caving in the event of a rollover, and add that to the advanced safety features that have the potential to save your life. I'd say these mighty shields are pretty important, and ones that we should definitely be taking care of. Here at Windshield Surgeons, we make taking care of your shield easy by servicing both replacements and recalibrations in one short appointment. So book your appointment today, because before embarking on the open road, it is crucial to prepare your shield, ensuring it is poised and ready to protect you from the unforeseen challenges and surprises that life may hurl your way.